Hello and welcome to Learn to Drive the Easy Way. I'm approved driving instructor Michael Gambin and I'm going to show you how to drive manual, automatic and cars fitted with disability controls in the easiest way possible. So sit back, relax and enjoy. And remember to hit the subscribe button underneath to see all of our videos. So what we're going to talk about now is how to do the emergency stop. Now, the emergency stop is done in two ways. You have the right way and the wrong way, and a lot of instructors do teach what I would call the wrong way. You would still pass your test doing it the way that a lot of instructors teach and not the way that I will be now. But I want to future-proof you and to make you a safer driver. Now, the way that I want you to do the emergency stop is by braking hard first and then go into the clutch just before the car stalls. A lot of instructors will teach you to use both pedals at the same time. Like I said, it will still pass you, but the car will take longer to stop, so we don't really want to be teaching you that way. Now, if you do get the emergency stop, the examiner will pull you over on the side of the road first and ask you to carry out the emergency stop or controlled stop manoeuvre. They won't just give you a random stop, they will give you a heads up first. Once you're happy with that, you'll drive off and you do the speed that you would do normally. Don't try to get to a really high speed because they're not really looking for that. But don't also try to take the mickey and go really slow because they will tell you to actually go faster and they will mark you down for appropriate speed. Once the examiner's happy that he's now ready to give you that manoeuvre, they'll check their shoulder to make sure there's no one behind. And as long as there's no one behind, the examiner will then stick their hand out and say, stop. They're looking for two things. Number one, your reaction time. And number two, that you can stop very quickly. If you take too long to react or the car takes too long to stop, you will fail. So we need to go from that gas pedal to the brake quickly, and you want to push it down firm and deep. Okay, don't be delicate with this one. Your aim is to get the examiner's head to hit the dashboard, so don't be shy. Hit that brake nice and hard, keep your hands on the steering wheel, and then just before the car goes into its stalling phase, put the clutch all the way down. Once stopped, into first gear, look around. If you are stopped on a hill, it's advisable to use the handbrake. Then once you're happy it's safe, then pull away. So you do your POM routine. Now, the examiner will say to you, thank you, I will not ask you to do that again. It doesn't mean that you've done it good or bad, it just means the next time they say thank you to another road user, not to panic and go for the brakes. Now, what could happen is the ABS might kick in. Now, ABS stands for anti-lock braking system. Now, if the ABS does kick in, you'll feel a violent vibration on the car. Don't worry about it, the car will stop itself, and you don't need to do anything either, so just keep your feet down. I'm not going to go into depth on how the ABS sort of engages and how it works. You can do your own homework with that, but for the driving side of things, I will show you how to do that now.
So we're going to do the emergency stop. Okay, so I'm going to get my speed up to 30 miles per hour and stop. Look around, make sure it's safe, and then pull away. So you can see on that occasion I used my brake nice and firm, and then at the last possible second I then put my clutch down. I hope that video has helped, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.